Education is a community effort. Bloomington Public Schools is fortunate to have trusted partnerships with families, volunteers, businesses, and communities.
I love Bloomington Public Schools. I grew up in Bloomington and I went to Bloomington Public Schools. So when my husband and I were looking for a place to live and a place to start a family, Bloomington was really the only place that we were seriously looking. And a big part of that is the schools. We had full faith that our kids would have a good experience.
As a central part of the community, our doors are open to those who want to be part of the experience.
We have about 3,000 volunteers in our school district this year that are parents, family members, community members, college students, and it's really wonderful to see them in our classrooms, helping out in the media centers, the lunchroom, and really just bridging the gap between what the community sees and what we do internally as a school district.
We are grateful to all who give back, whether that's through fundraising by groups like the Education Foundation of Bloomington or through unique learning experiences provided by local businesses and organizations. Together, we are Bloomington, and you help us build trust, commitment, unity, and expanded learning opportunities for all.